Here's a look at this 3-in-1 camping chair by AVIVA. It comes in this super compact storage case right here. This whole thing's pretty cool, and I'm going to walk you all the way through it. It also comes with this flashlight, which you're able to mount on top of the walking pole when you assemble the walking pole. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. The flashlight has several different functions to it. It's a pretty good little flashlight. And then these are all the pieces that it comes with. And it comes with an instruction paper right here with instructions on it that tells you how to assemble everything. And the instructions are pretty good. Like, once you go through them one time, it makes a lot of sense, and you can put everything together and break everything down super quickly. So these are all the little poles that you put together for the 2 walking sticks, or you put them into all the other pieces, and then you can drape the case that they came in over the top of them, and that's what forms the chair, which I'll show you in just a second. But the walking sticks is what I'll show you first right here. You just assemble all the pieces, and each piece is labeled with a corresponding letter, and it tells you which letters to put together. And once you assemble everything, you get this nice walking stick, actually 2 nice walking sticks, and you can adjust the size of them, as you can see right here. And then there's also another piece that you can install that will even lengthen it even more, which I didn't do in the video, but if you need more length out of it, there's even another piece that gives you even extra additional length. This is how you install the flashlight mount. You could probably also just install a camera on top of here and use it as a monopod if you wanted, but this is particularly designed to be a flashlight mount, to mount the flashlight that it came with, as you see right here. So you just twist the mount onto the top of the handle of the walking stick, and then you slip the flashlight in there, and it's adjustable. You can go side to side, up and down, so it will provide white light if you're walking in the dark, which is really nice. And then I disassembled all the walking sticks, and now I'm putting together the chair right now, just using the same pieces. And the main pieces that you insert the walking stick poles into are once again labeled with letters, so it makes everything really easy to assemble. You just match the letters up and stick it into the correct holes, and it's very easy. And you get this as your base right here, and then you take the last of the poles and you stick them into the top section right here. Got the 2 longer ones on one side, and then the 2 shorter ones on the other side, once again labeled by letter, so it's really easy to know where to insert each one. And then you just drape the cover over the top of it, slide it into the little slots, and the slots are reinforced with thicker, stronger material so that they won't rip and tear easily, which is really nice. And this is the final look of the chair. It's also very comfortable, which is a huge bonus. So it's definitely a 3-in-1 and a lot of different functions. It's a nice little kit. The chair works really well. It's really comfortable. It's quite lightweight. And then it also has storage pockets, one on each side. And then it has this back storage pocket right here that you can load a bunch of different stuff into. So, I mean, it's a lot of design that went into this. It's very cool, very handy. I think you'll like it a lot.